promenades here in Lefkas, and I watched a video this morning of this whole promenade here full of tables and chairs, people drinking coffee. But we're in lockdown. Another fucking lockdown. And just look at it. It's fucked. This has got a bit of life to it, gotta say. Lefkas town. I suppose it is the capital, and nearly half the population of the island live here, in this place. Giardino now with our coffee, our après lunch. Coffee. Takeaway, of course, because everything is takeaway only at the moment. Everything. In actual fact, you can't even sit outside a restaurant. This area here belongs to probably that restaurant there across the road. They just taken their table and chairs, so now everybody is using it as a sit down for takeaway that they're getting from coffee shops or Dalton's. So thank you to Burano Grill for leaving your tables and chairs open. This is great. We appreciate it greatly. Thank you.
The Campions are doing a circumnavigation of the island by car because they won't let us out in a boat. Of course, we shouldn't be going by car either, but there is no policing. So we're quite happy to spend the day cruising along. Why not? explorer was driving down a road by the edge of the cliff. His arsehole had snapped shut, about 5 minutes earlier when he had a view over the edge into the sea.
So this is Katsima Beach, and it's on the west coast of Lefkas Island. And it's a proper beach. It's got sand and everything.
Yeah, very nice.
Charleno's loving it. Came over the mountain from the beach, and we are up in this mountain village. You can't see what's from the next corner. Vasiliki, Vliho. This is our road. This is it. Mountain back down towards Vasiliki. Every corner is a surprise. Stroll down to the end of Vliho, and there's this shop called K Graphics. The guy's name is Alex. The first thing I noticed was this Honda Super Dream parked outside the door, and I used to have one of those once, so it takes me right back. This is Alex. Hi Alex. We're vlogging.
Right.
Morning.
Hi. Morning.
Oh good.
Let me put my mask on.
Yeah, you're fine. You're fine with me anyway, but yeah. I guess for the sake of posterity, because it's going to be on YouTube, and I'm here just to collect some logos for the boat, so we're going to see what they look like. I'm sure they're going to be fantastic. Well, there we go. Sailing the World 13,
Yep.
and rather than using the words, we've used this logo.
Over the hill, and he took with him his gun.
was out to kill, but he was out to kill someone. Turns out some cowboy that he knew was back in town. They been fired about a year before.
Today's task, scrubbing the deck. Beautiful day. Oh my God! Right.
He's gonna take the whole world with him when he goes, where he goes. Thought he'd be so bloody-minded. Who'd have thought he'd go the way? Who'd have thought he'd be so bloody-minded? Who'd have thought he'd go the way? They found him sitting in a bar and was drowning out the world. Make me small talk like he does with some pretty girl. Now he's up there living with him. You do 20 years. When they leave him out again, I'll be staying clear of crazy Charlie. He's gonna take the whole world with him when he goes, crazy Charlie. He's gonna take the
I would walk 500 miles, and I would swim 500 more. I'd be the motherfucker who swam 1,000 miles. Pull outside your door. Pay the Russia. Pay the Russia. Pay the la 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 la. Pay the Russia. There's a smelly short shot. Hey, la 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 la.